got a solution for you. Take that to my boss, and I guarantee you'll find your balls.
You keister it.
Some full.
There are two things I learned in all my years of tracking these boys. Number one, they never say no to anything. Two, brains were leather. They wouldn't have enough to saddle a June bug. Took them all of 15 minutes to run out of fuel and get lost in the desert. Luckily, the boss sent them a shepherd to help them find their way to the pasture.
Hello there, ladies. You heard of Uber? I'm the Mexican version. You fellas need a ride? Oh! You mulin'?
A little bit.
Got a little cargo?
Yeah.
You keystering any? I'm gonna need you in the back if you're keystering. Let's roll! Guys, good back there! Slow down! Guys! Guys, there's this spotted owl on the left side. I don't know if you're getting this. Keep telling them every time I see a government official, I say, guys, we gotta pave the roads. If you don't have the nice roads, you're not gonna get the BMWs down here. If you don't have the BMWs, you can get that Saudi money to buy. You guys getting all this? Guys still up? Hey, your buddy gave me these to give to you. You're gonna need them where you're going.
Next stop, Magic City. There's a sweet surprise waiting for him. Welcome to Miami, brochacho.